In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to carry out a first-time installation on your Bush Smart TV. Once you plug your television in, it will automatically turn on. If it doesn't, press the power button. Then, choose your language and press OK. On the next page, select your country and press OK. You then need to select Home Mode and press OK. On the next page, you'll need to choose which picture mode you would like to use. Using the natural picture code consumes less power. Then, read through the privacy settings. If you are happy with the privacy policy, you can select Accept All. From here, choose which network type you will be using. If you are using an Ethernet cable, the input is located on the back of the television. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi, select Wireless Device. Scroll down and select Next. Scroll down to your Wi-Fi network and select OK on the remote. Then, enter your password by using the arrows on the remote. Once you have entered the password, select OK and Next on the following page. Then, read through the manufacturer's terms and conditions and select Yes. Choose which broadcast type you would like to use. The aerial input is located on the back of the television. Once you have selected, press Next. Your television will then run through a channel scan. This may take several minutes. Once complete, scroll down and choose your primary region and secondary region using the arrows on the remote. Then, scroll down to save and press OK. If you are using a set-top box, you can cancel the channel scan by pressing Exit on the remote. You then need to change your television source to which input your set-top box is plugged into. Your Bush Smart TV is now ready to use.